everybody, this is Juan from Sentinel. So today we're gonna make a video to teach you guys how to install this microscope. So this is very basic. This is like a basic microscope for our customers. Yeah, this is the monitor. This is the monitor. This is the mouse, and this is the power. This is the lens. And this is the ring light. This is the regulator. This is the base, and this is the rack. And now our professional technician is gonna install, and I help you guys step by step to install this microscope. So I hope you guys can learn from this video. Okay, now here we go. So firstly, we have this screw, and this is the screwdriver. So this is like very basic type. You know, it's not because we have different type of product for different type of market. So maybe your market, you don't need as a distributor, you don't need a very good one. So you can have this basic one. And actually, this one, it's, how can I explain to you guys? So this is, you can use this one for the repair. This is not the very good one, but this is the basic one, which can help you with the repair. And also we have like a medium, and also the advanced, and also luxury. So it depends on which country you're from, or which what's the investment you want to invest. So, and this is the basic one. So if you want to check more of our product, you can check our YouTube channel, and also you can contact any of our vendors, salesmen, so they can give you a catalog, they can give you links, and also video to help you guys understand very well what we're selling. This is very easy actually. A base, a rack, a monitor, the ring light, connect, that's it. So here's like up and down. So this is for, yeah, bigger, smaller, and this is up, down, up. Yeah, very easy one to use. So this way you can only check from the monitor. It's not like another one. So later we're gonna install another microscope so you can check Because another one you can check with your eyes, and also you can also check on the monitor. So like 2 ways. But this is just monitor, just monitor. So what is
SD?
this? Is for SD card. Okay, and we're gonna put it in the middle. I want you guys to check clearly. Okay. Okay. You can record, you can take photos. It's like a very different. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna install another Mircro Scope rack. We're gonna do some little comparison. Okay. Okay, see you later.